Hello dear children, welcome to Rishikul Online School. Let's continue chapter number 6 of Geography, in which we are discussing about agriculture. In this video lesson, we shall study about the development of agriculture, which refers to the increase in farm production in order to meet the demands of our growing population. But here the question arises that how this farm production can be increased. So it can be increased in the following ways. Number 1. Organic manures, they should be used to obtain higher yield instead of using chemical fertilizers and pesticides. The second step about the HYV seeds. So high yielding variety of seeds, they should be used for food production. Moreover, irrigation facilities. Irrigation facilities, they should be improved. And the modern tools of agriculture, they should be used to get more production and profit. Next one, food security. Food security, it's a condition or state in which all people at all times have access to sufficient, safe, hygienic and nutritious food to meet their dietary needs. Now let's discuss about an Indian farm and a farm in the USA. India, it is basically an agriculture based country with 80% of its population in rural areas. Whereas in the US, only a small number of people they are involved in farming, which is about 2 to 3%. The average farm holding in India are of small sizes, approximate 2 to 3 hectares. Whereas in the US, the farm holdings are large, about 250 hectares. Most of the Indian farmers are uneducated or receive basic education in the village schools. Whereas in the US, the farmers are mostly well educated and keep themselves updated with the latest developments in the agriculture field. In India, land that is intensively cultivated, double and the multiple cropping, that's very common. Wheat, rice, pulses, these are the main crops grown. While in USA, extensive type of farming is practiced where yield per acre, that is low, but the yield per worker is high. In India, all family members, they help in various agricultural activities. Production that is done for self-usage and hardly there is any surplus. Whereas in USA, most of the work that is done by machines and the manual labor is less and therefore it's very expensive. In India, use of traditional methods of farming is very common. Whereas in USA, modern irrigation facilities are used. In India, farmers keep domestic animals like buffaloes, hen, etc. for milk and egg. Whereas in USA, animals are reared on dairy farms. Mixed farming is common and the fodder crops are grown to feed the animals. So dear children, it was all about this chapter. Thank you. Have a nice day.